Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to smash the like button. So another sensory bin activity is using this. This is broken up and crushed graham cracker. It's also similar to sand. Sand is like pretty much the same. Also, it works if you crushed up cereal. So I just put the graham crackers into a bag, and what I actually used was a wooden spoon. Have it right here. And I ziplocked the bag, and I smacked them and broke them down so they were really tiny. And that's really great to work on hand strength because the hitting is good pressure to use. And I crushed them all up. So then what I like to do with it is I'm going to show you. So I have mine in a bag. And I dump it out. You can play with it, move it around, whatever you want, or whatever you and your child wants. You can scoop it, scoop and pour, or you can also hide things in it. So for me, it's great to work on like searching and finding. So like for me, I can hide some beads that have letters on them. These are also from the dollar store, and then mix them in. I also have some cake toppers. So these are just things I had lying around my house. They're just like little edible candy decorations. Here's a Buzz Lightyear and Alien Toy Story theme. I can take them off the wrapper and then put them in here and also hide them. So again, it's just materials I have around my house. You don't have to go crazy anything, but it just gives some texture. You can also break with your hands. It's some texture to use, some change up. If you put water in it, it gets a little more sticky, kind of as if you're at the beach. And you don't have to worry about any other things because you can just play with it right on the plate in a bowl. It smells good. Another option is adding in mini erasers, or you can practice letters and shapes within the graham cracker mix. Don't forget to subscribe.